Hey guys, it's Emily. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 decoration and organization ideas using trash like cardboard, tin can, and plastic. Let's get on with the video. The first DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this tray that you can use to organize your desk. The first thing you want to do is that you want to cut the base of the tray out of cardboard. You can make it any size. Mine was about 7 by 5 inches. Now for the sides, you want to measure how big you want the short sides to be first by measuring how long the short side of the base is, and you can make it any height that you want. When you're done measuring the short side, you want to cut 2 pieces out. The short sides for my tray measured about 5 by 2 inches. After you're done cutting them out, you want to glue them on with hot glue, and you want to do this by putting hot glue on the short edge of the base. Then you want to place the edge of the short side you just cut out on the edge of the base. A tip to make things easier is that you want to have the short side laying down so you can line up the base to the edge of the shorter side. When you're done attaching the first side, you want to repeat the same steps for the other side. Now to create the long sides, you want to measure the whole long side, including the short sides. Then you want to take what you have so far of your tray and you want to place it over the cardboard you'll be cutting. And then you can mark where it needs to be cut. Then you can cut it to the length it needs to be. When you're done cutting out your long sides, you can glue them on with hot glue. You want to put glue on the edge of the base and the short sides. And then you can place the piece you just cut on it. After you're done gluing on that side, you want to create another long side, and you want to repeat the same steps. The long sides for my tray measured about 7 5/16 of an inch by 2 inches. But the size of yours most likely will be different because of how thick your cardboard is from mine and what size you made your tray. When the glue is dry, you can paint it with any color of acrylic paint. I painted mine black. When the paint is dry, you're all done, and you can organize your desk, or you can just use it as a decoration. Just make sure you don't carry it around with stuff on it, because it might break, and also don't put anything that can light on fire on it. The next DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this tin can planter. You want to start by taking a tin can of any size, and you want to line the tin can up to the top edge of a long side of a piece of cardstock paper of any color. Then you want to mark where the bottom of the can is. You also want to do this on the other side of the piece of paper, so you have one mark on one end and one at the other end. Then you can line up both marks together with a ruler, and you want to make a line. When you're done creating this line, you want to cut it out. After you're done cutting the paper, you want to put a line of glue on the can. Then you can put the edge of the paper in the glue. And then you want to wrap the paper around the tin can. When you're done wrapping the paper around the can, you want to add more glue and place the paper in the glue. Then you can put anything that you would like in the can. I put a fake succulent and rocks in it. I also put paper towels on the bottom so I wouldn't use a bunch of rocks. And then I was all done. The last DIY I'm gonna show you how to make is this dish out of a plastic lid. First thing you want to do is that you want to find a plastic lid of any size, and you want to paint it any color you want with one or more coats of acrylic paint. I used a plastic lid from a container and I painted it white. When the lid is dry, you can paint the outside of the lid, and you may need to paint it with one or more coats of paint. I painted it with gold acrylic paint. When you're done painting your lid and it's dry, you can start using it. And that's how you make these recycled decoration ideas. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these DIYs. And if you like this video, subscribe to see more videos. I will see you in the next video. Bye!